guys, it's Tajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a scrunchie or like hair tie, but technically they're scrunchies. Chooses my makeup look. So I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I am lazy, sick and tired of trying to figure out makeup looks to do. No, I'm just kidding. But I am kind of lazy, so I was just like, why choose your own makeup when you can let scrunchies do it for you, you know? Like all these beautiful scrunchies. So I have these ones. These are actually my sister's scrunchies. And then I have just like this whole bag of ones she got from Amazon. So I'm like, there's so many different little colors and stuff. And obviously if we pick one that has like flowers on it, then we'll improvise and like do all that as we go. So I'm gonna pour them all in this big bowl just so it's like easier pick. So yeah, we're gonna do it in the intro, like kind of pick them while we're in the intro. I'm gonna close my eyes and pick them with you guys. There is so many. Look at all of these. That looks so cool. I'm going to be picking two colors and then I'm gonna put them in my hair, and then we're gonna like do the makeup look surrounded by them. I don't know if I want to do two different color eyes because my last video I just did like each eye was a different color. So I think I'm just gonna do like make an eye look with those two colors, if that makes sense. I gave them a little stir. So now we're gonna close my eyes and pick one. Ready? Wow. Okay, so this is literally bright lime green color. Ooh, okay, so it's like white and has flowers on it. Okay, so we're gonna try to like, this is what we're gonna do. I just came up with this idea. So we're gonna do the green, and then we obviously have this one with the flowers on it. I'm gonna keep this one on my wrist and refer to it, and like basically what this is gonna mean is like we have to do something that kind of looks like flowers and with these colors, because obviously like we'll make something with flowers, make it look like flowers, but we still need two solid colors to work with. So we have this, and then if we pick another one that's like patterned or whatever, then we'll just redo it. So okay. Oh my god, this is not gonna be cute. Okay, so we have these two colors, and then we also have this white one with like flowers and stuff. So we're going to be doing an eye look with these two colors, this blue and this green. Well, obviously we're going to try to find colors as close to these ones as possible, and then we're going to try to incorporate some type of flowers. We can incorporate white as well. So yeah, I guess if you guys want to see me do my makeup based off of these scrunchies I just chose, then just keep on watching. So I have them in my hair. It looks so cute. You know what I was thinking? I think I should make, I think I want to make this a series. Oh, and by the way, I know I'm not the first person to ever do this. I know I've seen like a few people do it. I don't know their names off the top of my head because I haven't seen them like recently, but yeah, I know I'm not the first person to do this, so don't think that I think I'm like came up with this or whatever. But I feel like this could be a series because all of these, this looks so pretty, all of these, and I already only used like two, technically three, because I like picked this or whatever. But next time I'll probably take these ones out. Actually, I think that might be a good idea to leave them in. Maybe I'll do a separate bowl with the pattern ones and then do that last and be like, okay, this is kind of like the pattern that you have to go for. But yeah, I want to do a series and then like up the ones I already used to be like taken out of the bowl or whatever. But anyways, so I'm just gonna take my Tri palette because I feel like these have some pretty bright greens. I'll probably mix these two greens to kind of get that really super bright color. I'm gonna take this e.l.f. contour brush, but it's really like a dense brush that I like to use to pack on shadows. So I'm just going to go in with Masai and Tootsie. I'm always bad at pronouncing these names. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna stamp it into the crease. Now I'm gonna take the Morphe M330 brush and dip into that super bright green and basically just start blending this out. Okay, I think a blue that matches pretty okay is the third blue in the Makeup Revolution Alexis Stone palette. I feel like that's pretty accurate, as accurate as we're probably going to get. So now we're gonna take the Morphe M330. By the way, if you guys hear me in the same video with different colors use the same brush, I don't have several of the same brush. I literally just either take like this dry brush cleaner, or if I use like a black previously or something, then I'll take like a little bit of alcohol and then like wipe it off on like a paper towel or something. And alcohol dries super quickly, but it also like gets rid of makeup very fast and like really good. So we're going to take that third blue color on a Morphe M330 brush. That's the beauty of that blue. It's kind of just turning into like a darker green color. You can kind of see a little bit of the blue, but like I said, it's kind of like mixing with the green and kind of just looking like a darker green. But I think I'm gonna cut the crease or do something with the crease and make it blue so you can really see that blue. Maybe I'll turn it into like a circle cut crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the crease. I think I'm gonna try to cut it like in more of a like circular shape, if that makes sense. You guys will kind of see as I do it. Sometimes I like to cut my crease with the ABH cream contour kit if I want it to be super light. Like I really want that blue to look like this blue, so I'm gonna cut it with like a lighter concealer. Sometimes I'll do like a skin tone concealer if I just kind of want to, like, you know, it doesn't really matter about the color. If I'm putting on like a white shadow or something, then it doesn't matter, but I really want that blue to show up, if that makes sense. Honestly, think that's the most like a circle it's gonna get with me and my like shaky hand, but I think that looks pretty good. And now we're gonna put on that blue shade. Ooh, I just had a great idea, but it does involve crystals. I'm so annoying. Like, I'm obsessed with crystals. I have a problem. Okay, so I'm trying to like look at this to see what I can do to kind of incorporate this one. Let's do a white line around the circle. Okay, so now what I think I'm going to do is I think I'm gonna take some gems or some crystals or whatever and make a little flower. I just want to come on here real quick and say that I did not end up making flowers. I just ended up putting them on top of the white, like in random places, and like also with that blue and green color of the gems. So you'll see later, but yeah, I didn't do that. Okay, so I finished my makeup and I put some gems on. I'll do a close-up to show you guys. I couldn't show you guys while I was putting them on, and I also did the same colors at the bottom. My sister was in the shower, and the shower is super loud in my room, so I really couldn't like film and talk and stuff, but I was like, I kind of want to just do it because it wasn't looking good to me, if I'm being honest. So I wanted to like try to make it look better, if that makes sense. But it looks pretty okay to me, honestly, and I think the colors pretty much match the listen, I just pretty much took the white from this. So yeah, I think this is pretty cute. I definitely want to continue doing this. Like I said, there's so many other ones. Like I honestly don't even know how many of like how many count this is. Like it's probably like 100. But I definitely want to keep doing this, like I was saying, because I think it's so fun just to like pick random scrunchies and do my makeup based off of it. This was such a fun video, and I definitely recommend you doing it, whether it be like, I say this every time I do a video that's like a challenge or whatever, but it's just so fun. So you just want everyone to like try it, because you know everyone's gonna get like different results and stuff. So yeah, this is my finished look of letting my scrunchies pick my makeup. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, or you want to follow me on all my other social medias, all that good stuff is on the screen right here, but it will also be in the description box for your convenience and all that good stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.